Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class of Shahid Cadet Academy, main campus 2, Uttara Dhaka. Today's online class will be on general knowledge about Bangladesh affairs. Topic: Defense and Armed Forces of Bangladesh. Defense and Armed Forces of Bangladesh. Defense and Armed Forces of Bangladesh. Some important questions will be given today, so you have to memorize them properly. Question number 1. When is Armed Forces formed? When is Armed Forces formed? Answer: Armed Forces is formed on 21st November 1971. 21st November 1971. 2. Who is the head of Armed Forces of Bangladesh? Who is the head of Armed Forces of Bangladesh? Answer: President is the head of Armed Forces of Bangladesh. Question 3. Where is the headquarters of Armed Forces situated? Where is the headquarters of Armed Forces situated? The headquarters of Armed Forces is situated in Dhaka Cantonment. Question number 4. Where is Bangladesh Military Museum situated? Bangladesh Military Museum situated. Where is Bangladesh Military Museum situated? Answer: Bangladesh Military Museum is situated at Bijoy Soroni of Dhaka. Bangladesh Military Museum is situated at Bijoy Soroni of Dhaka. 5. Who are given Sword of Honor? Who are given Sword of Honor? Answer: the cadets of Armed Forces. The cadets of Armed Forces are given Sword of Honor. The cadets of Armed Forces are given Sword of Honor. Question number 6. What is the motto of Bangladesh Army? What is the motto of Bangladesh Army? That means, what is the slogan? Motto means slogan. What is the slogan of Bangladesh Army? What is the motto of Bangladesh Army? Answer: in war, in peace. In war, in peace, we are everywhere. We are everywhere for our country. We are everywhere for our country. In war, in peace, we are everywhere for our country. বাংলা: সমরে আমরা, শান্তিতে আমরা, সর্বত্র আমরা দেশের তরে। সমরে আমরা, শান্তিতে আমরা, সর্বত্র আমরা দেশের তরে। 7. What is the highest rank of BD Army? Answer: the highest rank of BD Army is General. 8. What is the title of Chief of Bangladesh Army? What is the title of Chief of Bangladesh Army? The title of Chief of Bangladesh Army is Chief of Army Staff. Chief of Army Staff. Answer: Chief of Army Staff. 9. Who is the first Chief of Army of Bangladesh? The first Chief of Army of Bangladesh is General Ataul Ghani Osmani. General Ataul Ghani Osmani. 10. Who is the first female paratrooper of Bangladesh? Paratrooper of Bangladesh. Who is the first female paratrooper of Bangladesh? Answer. The first female paratrooper of Bangladesh is Jannatul Firdaus. Jannatul Firdaus, the first female paratrooper. Question number 11. What is the symbol of Bangladesh Army? What is the symbol of Bangladesh Army? Answer. Two crossed swords. Swords. Two crossed swords and our national flower water lily. And our national flower water lily on them. On them. Two crossed swords and our national flower water lily on them. 12. Where is Bangladesh Military Academy situated? Where is Bangladesh Military Academy situated? Bangladesh Military Academy. Answer. Bangladesh Military Academy is situated in Bhattiari of Chattogram. Bhattiari of Chattogram. In Bhattiari of Chattogram. 13. What is task force? What is task force? Task force is combined force. Combined, grouped force, combined force. Task force is combined force of Army, Navy and Air. Army, Navy and Air, combined force. What is task force? Answer. Task force is combined force of Army, Navy and Air. 14. Who is the first female brigadier? Brigadier. Who is the first female brigadier? The first female brigadier is Suraya Begum. Suraya Begum. Suraya Begum. 15. What is the previous name of Bangladesh Army? What is the previous name of Bangladesh Army? The previous name. Answer. The previous name of Bangladesh Army is East Bengal Regiment. East Bengal Regiment. Last one, 16. Where is Staff College of Bangladesh Armed Forces situated? Staff College. Where is Staff College of Bangladesh Armed Forces situated? Answer. Staff College of Bangladesh Armed Forces is situated in Mirpur Cantonment. In Mirpur Cantonment, Dhaka. In Mirpur Cantonment, Dhaka. Okay, these are the very important questions, so your duty is to complete them properly. Thanks everybody.